Yes, guys and girls, just going to go through the pairs that I normally go through. Some good trades have happened, and they've respected the levels really, really well, as I will show you now. So GJ, as we said, we have this trend line here. Price tried to push through it. Look at that. It was about 100 pip push through, and then it absolutely tanked and came back down below this trend line. Here it tested it again today. Couldn't push, tried to push through, did push through, came back down below. And look at this move now. We are coming to this level here, which was all this rejection here. It was used as strong resistance. So you might get a little bit of a pullback from here before smashing through. But when we do break through this level, we are going down to this 149 level that I've been waiting for ages. Now, another reason price ran up to this level and got rejected was because of this level here. So we'll get this out so you can see. And we will put it around this level here. I mean, it doesn't hit the levels perfectly all the time, but as you can see around here, we use it as a zone. It came up and tested it as resistance here. This massive push up as resistance here before the drop down. This massive push down to this level before it used it as support and push back up. And here as well, that is classed as a touch because I'm using this as a zone because it doesn't touch perfectly. And price came back up to retest this as resistance before pushing back down below our trend line. So as you can see, it's worked out perfectly. As we speak now, price is pushing through this. So hopefully we'll get the push down to this 149 level next week. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. Let's have a look at GN and what that is doing. On the daily, again, today we have come back up to retest this level here and we are pushing back down. This push down here so far is, let's see how many pipettes. See, you've had a 50 pip push down off that level. So if you'd been watching my videos all week, you would be in this trade and you would have taken, you would have set your order around here about 10 to 20 pips before this level, and you'd be running about 40 to 50 pips profit at the minute. Now, we've just got to wait and see to see if price wants to push further down. Like I say, I'm looking at this kind of level before we get a little bounce and push back down below it. Because the UK economy is going downhill. We are going to probably go back into some lockdowns. Some telltale signs are happening at the minute as a load of football matches are getting cancelled because of COVID, like they did last time. She probably shouldn't have said that word in the video, but never mind. As we could see here, we had this trend line on gold. Now price has respected that. It's pushed through it, couldn't sustain above it, and it's pushed back down below it. But as we speak, we are getting another little bit of a push up. So I can see this level breaking. Go to the 4 hour. As you can see on the 4 hour, rejection on the previous 2 4 hour candles. But price does look like it wants to push through it. Now go back to the daily, sorry, and we can see why price was rejecting at this level. Let's get you horizontal line, and as we can see, again, it's more of a zone than a level. But you can see here, resistance, resistance, all this resistance here, and it's used it again as resistance. So once we do break through this level, we are going to absolutely fly. Now on the monthly, 1800 was a key level that I was looking for to break, and 1800 has broke. The reason 1800 is such a key level, let's move my ugly mug out of the way, is because you can see, where are we? 1800 here, it was used as very strong resistance here and here and here. So price made a massive run up, and then look at this dump. So I was looking at price coming up to 1800 and seeing what it was going to do, seeing if it was going to dump like it did last time, or seeing whether it's going to break through. At the minute, we have broken through it, so I can see all-time highs come in, probably early 2022. We'll make a good run up to them the rest of this year as well. So very, very exciting trade on gold. Again, you would have been in this trade if you watched my last videos. Silver, let's have a look what you're doing. Let's move my ugly mug back over here. Silver, so yesterday we did break this key level that I have marked on my chart. We might come back down to retest that as support before making more moves upwards. But again, we're just going to have to wait and see. We are getting a little bit of rejection at this kind of level here. Around here. As you can see, previously has been used as strong resistance. So that is why you are getting a slight pullback. Now, like I said, we might get a push down to here before we break through, but I am very, very bullish on silver. So have a quick look at, I think this is oil. Yeah, nothing's changed with oil. It's just ranging, as you can see. Formed a little bit of resistance here, maybe this will be the catalyst we need for the push down to this level here, but I am not going to be taking any trades until it gets to this level or this level. There is no point jumping in here in the middle of no man's land because it might go up or down. We really don't know. US 30, absolutely perfection. As you can see, my arrows are on here. And if you watch my previous videos, you will see that this is not rubbish. I have not just drawn these levels on and these arrows on. So I was expecting a push up to either this level or this level, as explained previously. Now, we kind of got to push up to this level, push through and rejected it and close back down below it. And now look at this for a fall. And remember, this is the daily. So this could be the start of a massive market crash. We'll go down to the hourly and just look at that. Absolute perfection. Now we are getting a bit of rejection at the level here, but I think we are going to smash through it with this much bearish power going into it. But we will just have to wait and see what happens. As we can see, this is my daily level. We'll take you back, and it's just because of this level here. It was used as very strong resistance. Look at all that touches on 9-10 days in a row. So you're obviously going to get a bit of rejection, right? We got a rejection here from it, but I think we are going to smash through this level at the minute. So we'll just have to wait and see. But like I say, if you watch my previous videos, you would be in the trade from here or possibly up here. So you'd be running a very big profit. As we speak, it does look like it is going to push through it. So we'll just revisit that later on tonight. That's Dogecoin, that's Bitcoin. You are Forex guys, you're not interested in that. So I'm going to end the video here. Let me know in the comment section if you have took any of the trades off my analysis. Like, share, subscribe. I would say unsubscribe, but don't do that as I've only got 8 subscribers as it is. So peace out, guys. I'll check in again with you later or over the weekend.